I'm going to make this really delicious, super fast pea and mint soup. And this can be made just using a kettle and a blender. That's all you need. So, frozen peas, and it's always frozen peas I use, because if you use peas that are not frozen, you could break your blender with the boiling stock going in, so just watch out for that. Chopped spring onions. And then I just pour in some boiling stock, and you can use a vegetable stock or a chicken stock. A nice bit of mint, or coriander works really well with this soup too. And then a little bit of PPP. So this has got a nice bit of protein in it. And then Formula 1. Put on the lid and blend. You can reheat it if you like, but actually it's nice and warm like this. Give us a little taste for seasoning. Delicious. So that is it. Super quick pea and mint soup. And it's absolutely delicious with one of the sun-dried tomato and roasted pepper muffins. It would also be really good with crispy bacon, even a drizzle of olive oil. That's it. How delicious and quick is that?